follow the instructions, see if they work. So we open the two spreadsheets, the y dimension trajectory with drag. That's this one. It's the one that models the coasting flight of the rocket after thrust, takes drag into account. And the water rocket calculations here, your sheet should probably have more stuff on it at this point than mine does. And all right, don't make any changes to the sheet. Number 3, time at end of air thrust. I get that time from the sheet and put it into E7. So time at end of air thrust is 0.045 seconds. So that is when this spreadsheet starts. End of air thrust is the beginning of coasting. VY max. So VY max from here is 50.8. You know, I could just click on it and copy and then paste that into here. Then initial, actually I don't like that. Well, if I'm gonna do that, I wanna change the alignment. Okay. Initial Y position, so it comes from Y position at the end of air thrust, 2.48. Typing it this time, 2.48. So when this spreadsheet begins, the rocket is 2.48 meters up, and this much time has gone by, and it's going that fast. And the mass is the dry mass, which for my rocket was 0.2. 200 grams exactly. Let's see, what else do we do? Enter the air density from the top of the data sheet. I calculated this earlier, and I got 1.21085. I just didn't put it in here. So I'll type that into here also. Probably don't need all those digits. Enter the cross-sectional area of the rocket. My rocket was probably a little bit bigger than 0.01. So I'm going to say 0.015 because of the flange. But measure it, figure out what you think. I'm just putting a number in here. I should really be more precise, but that's not what I'm showing you right now. For drag coefficient, 0.3 is a good starting place. Okay, and 0.3 is what it defaults to. All right, compare your spreadsheet's trajectory or time to apogee with the time to apogee from your video data. So the video data, time to apogee was 2.933 seconds. And on here, time to apogee is 3. So it's different. If they're not the same, try to make them the same by changing the drag coefficient. This is the guess and check part. Okay, you can also alter the cross-sectional area if you think you need to. So what I'm shooting for is 2.933. Drag coefficient of, I need to go a little higher, 0.35. That's 2.865. 0.33. 2.92. 0.32. 0.325. 2.93. If I want more digits, I can do that. So I think that's good enough. All right. Now time aloft 6.81 clearly stayed in the air a lot longer than that because the parachute opened. So I've got that. At this point, you could alter the spreadsheet. It's messy. So that's really all we need from this. So you need to save this in this form. We have the drag coefficient. We've got